High-resolution images and leaked videos have revealed something unexpected in Pakistan's skies. China's most advanced export helicopter, the Z-10ME, is now confirmed to be in active use. But this isn't just another equipment upgrade. It marks a turning point in South Asia's strategic landscape. Why did Pakistan choose this helicopter now? What makes the Z-10ME so unique? And how is this part of a broader regional shift involving China? Let's unpack what's flying under the radar, literally and diplomatically. Until recently, the idea that Pakistan had acquired the Z-10ME was based purely on speculation. But that changed in July 2025, when verified photos and videos started surfacing on Pakistani social media platforms. One image in particular stood out. A Z-10ME helicopter bearing clear markings. These posts were not circulated by anonymous accounts. One of the most shared videos was posted by a user believed to be a current member of the Pakistan Army, further validating its authenticity. Although it's unclear whether the footage captured a single helicopter or several, the consistent appearance of Z-10ME features across media indicates the platform is now operational in Pakistan's aviation forces. While the government hasn't made an official announcement, several reputable defense news sources reported that Pakistan may have received a batch of up to 40 Z-10ME units. This number hasn't been confirmed by Chinese or Pakistani officials, but it fits within the scope of recent procurement patterns between the two countries. According to analysts, the Z-10ME's expected public debut will likely take place during Pakistan's Republic Day celebrations in March, where new military hardware is traditionally showcased. What's especially interesting is the timing. The appearance of these helicopters follows a year of increased interaction between Chinese and Pakistani defense officials. From meetings between Air Force chiefs to a high-level engagement between China's Central Military Commission and Pakistan's Army Chief General Asim Munir, the diplomatic groundwork for deeper military-industrial collaboration has been visible. For Pakistan, integrating a new, high-performance attack helicopter reflects a broader effort to modernize its aviation forces. The country has operated AH-1F Cobra helicopters and a limited number of Russian Mi-35s for decades. However, those models are increasingly seen as outdated and less adaptable to modern mission requirements, especially in high-altitude or rapid response scenarios. The Z-10ME appears to be a step forward in resolving that gap. The Z-10ME isn't just a repainted version of its predecessor. It's a fundamentally upgraded helicopter engineered for performance, survivability, and mission flexibility. Designed by China's Changhua Aircraft Industries Corporation and developed under the guidance of the People's Liberation Army, the Mi variant represents the most advanced export version of the Z-10 ever offered. And from what's already visible, Pakistan's version might even include enhancements beyond the baseline. Let's begin with its performance specs. The Z-10ME is powered by the WZ-9G turboshaft engine, a powerful upgrade over previous variants, specifically developed to handle hot and high conditions like those found in mountainous terrains. This engine provides the helicopter with a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour and an operational range of up to 1,120 kilometers, depending on payload and fuel configurations. These metrics place it within striking distance of top-tier global attack helicopters. With a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 7,200 kilograms, the helicopter balances armor, electronics, and weaponry effectively. Its frame integrates titanium and ceramic composite armor, which increases pilot protection against ground fire and environmental hazards, especially important in close-range engagements or support missions. The avionics package is just as impressive. Another significant element is the helicopter's armament. The Z-10ME comes with 6 external weapon stations, capable of mounting a variety of air-to-ground ordnance. Among its standout features is the ability to carry CM-502 kg guided missiles with a maximum range of 25 kilometers. These precision munitions allow the helicopter to strike fortified or mobile ground targets from a relatively safe distance. In addition, a 23mm chain gun provides flexible support for low-altitude missions. Analysts on defense forums and aerospace platforms have noted that the Z-10ME delivered to Pakistan could potentially surpass the baseline PLA variants in some categories. These may include improved electronic warfare packages, newer infrared suppression technology, and modularity that allows for the integration of non-Chinese targeting pods or munitions. When comparing the Z-10ME to India's AH-64E Apache Guardians, there are trade-offs. The Apache is a combat-proven platform with decades of operational history and a robust logistics support ecosystem. However, the Z-10ME's new high-altitude engine and defensive countermeasures may offer advantages in certain geographical contexts, especially in elevated environments like Kashmir. The delivery of the Z-10ME helicopters to Pakistan is about more than just upgrading equipment. It reflects a deeper shift in regional defense dynamics and a strong message about international partnerships. While the helicopters serve a practical purpose in enhancing air support capabilities, they also represent an evolving security alignment that involves not only bilateral cooperation but also strategic signaling. The China-Pakistan defense relationship is not new, but it's becoming increasingly comprehensive. In just the past few months, the two countries have ramped up military interactions. A notable meeting took place on July 25, 2025, when Zhang Youxia, vice chairman of China's Central Military Commission, met with General Asim Munir, chief of Pakistan's army. Zhang emphasized the importance of stronger strategic coordination and expressed interest in expanded joint initiatives across multiple domains. China's deployment of Z-10 helicopters near the Tibetan Plateau, close to its own contested border with India, provides an important clue. These helicopters have been stationed at high altitudes for years, where they have undergone rigorous testing and field training. By exporting the Z-10ME to Pakistan, China is not just selling hardware. It's effectively transferring a platform proven for terrain similar to the Kashmir region, where Pakistan has often faced aerial limitations due to altitude and range. Meanwhile, Pakistan's increasing adoption of Chinese military technology goes beyond helicopters. From the JF-17 Thunder multi-role fighter to the more recently acquired J-10C aircraft, China has become Pakistan's go-to supplier for affordable and rapidly deployable systems. The Z-10ME is just the latest in a growing line of platforms that share compatible infrastructure, training programs, and operational doctrine. This growing synergy raises interesting questions about interoperability. Having similar platforms deployed in both countries could pave the way for more seamless coordination in training, logistics, and even joint exercises. While there are no public commitments on combined helicopter operations, the groundwork is being laid for that possibility. What the Z-10ME ultimately represents is a kind of soft power tool. It allows China to support a close partner, demonstrate the competitiveness of its defense industry, and shape the military balance in a strategically sensitive region. For Pakistan, the deal boosts credibility and operational reach without the long procurement cycles often associated with Western defense suppliers. The appearance of China's Z-10ME helicopters' Pakistan's arsenal is about more than just a new aircraft on a tarmac. It reflects a growing alignment between two powerful neighbors, an alignment that's reshaping how the region thinks about air power, technology sharing, and strategic partnerships. For Pakistan, the Z-10ME closes long-standing capability gaps. For China, it demonstrates its rising influence as a global defense supplier. But most importantly, it raises new questions. Is this just the beginning of deeper integration between China's and Pakistan's defense systems? How will this shape future procurement decisions in the region? And what happens next when the lines between defense, diplomacy, and deterrence keep getting thinner? Thanks for watching. To dive deeper, click the link to watch our full video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.